Hi guys, quick video here to show how I've been calibrating my oscilloscope off of my homopolar generator. Here we go. Here's the copper disc in front of the permanent magnet. In this instance, this magnet is not going to rotate. It's going to stay fixed. It doesn't affect the voltage of the disc. It doesn't matter what this magnet does, if it spins this way or the other way or sits still. The voltage isn't changed or affected on the copper disc. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spin the copper disc up until I read on this voltmeter exactly 1/10 of a volt. And according to the information here, we should be between 2,000 and 3,000 RPM. We should achieve 1/10 of a volt output off of this disc. And then I'm going to use that 1/10 of a volt output. Its output leads are connected both to this meter and to the oscilloscope. So the scope, when it reads 1/10 of a volt, you'll see where that line is elevated to and compare and contrast, and then we know the readings and how to read the readings accurately on the oscilloscope. So here we go. Okay. Okay, let's take a look at this meter here. We're reading at 0.11. We need to come down a little bit. 0.109, right about. That's very close. 1/10 of a volt. Very accurately. 1/10 of a volt is coming off this machine. The disc is spinning at 2,650 RPM. So that's accurate according to our other information. Here we drop down, yeah, we're right there, 1/10 of a volt. Okay, so what does it look like on our monitor? On the scope, we have elevated the line to 1 hash mark. Exactly 1 hash mark here. But our setting down here in the corner actually is at 1 volt per division. But these lines are actually 1/10 of that. So that's 1/10 of a volt right there on this 1 volt setting. And there we have calibrated our oscilloscope using my homopolar generator.